Hey there, craft lovers. Welcome to my channel. Ever wondered what to do of so much of waste cardboard? Well, we can create lots of creative things, but today, we're turning these cardboard into a cute sea turtle. Let's recycle and get creative. First, we cut a turtle-shaped base. This will hold everything together. We need to cut its limbs. 2 shorter for back and 2 longer for front and a little tail. For its shape and dimension, we use some cardboard strips on its head and shell. Also, we should put some cardboard on its limbs. We will fill the body and head with some newspapers. After getting the required shape, we will use some masking tapes and cover it. Now it's starting to look like a turtle. Now, we need to mix glue and water in a bowl, and then we tear the newspaper and use it to cover the whole turtle with the help of the mix we made. And later on, we will apply a thin layer of tissue paper over the whole thing and keep it aside to let it dry. After drying, it's going to become hard and tough. In the next part, I will be coloring it and bringing this cutie to life. So see you in my next video. Do subscribe, like, and comment. Also share it with your craft lover friends. Also check out my previous videos. As you can see, I am not that good in editing, and I'm trying. Try to be the turtle at ease in your own shell. Keep supporting me, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you all later.